Hello everyone, welcome to the unboxing and short review of Corsair Katar Pro. So this is the basic version. There is another one called Katar Pro XT, which one has Omron switches. This one does not have Omron switches, and there is other version called Katar Pro Wireless. So this one has a switch with 30 million left or right clicks and a sensor of PAW3327 with a DPI of 12,400. On the other hand, the Katar Pro XT offers 18,000 DPIs and a better sensor and Omron switches. So this one costs roughly around $20, and let's check out the box. There is not really much details in it. So this is the lightest one, the 69-gram version. So what else is it? System requirements, I guess it will support everything, and with IQ software, of course, you can control the RGB effects and all. So that's it. So let's unbox it now. Of course, there is the new logo of Corsair. So here it is. So I'll just unbox it now and check it out. So there is nothing much actually. So here is the packaging. Here's the cable. It's a rubber cable and it has a velcro with it. So how should I, okay, I guess I'll just it this way. A pretty good packaging. The mouse is very light, so I'll just keep it aside. And there is anything more, and there is the warranty guide and no user manual, I guess. Warranty guide, no, that's it. So the mouse, nice, the mouse is very light, and here is, this is plastic as well, and this is plastic. It's all around plastic, and here's rubber. Yes, at least I found some rubber. And here is DPI button. So do we hear any? Let's check the difference. I previously used the Harpoon that had Omron switches, so let's check out these buttons. So it's pretty comfortable. I like it, but it would have been better if there was rubber, but there isn't no rubber on here and here. So the cable feels good, and it's nice they included velcro. Let's slide it off. It's plastic as well, but the finish is really good. The Corsair logo. That's about it. I'll just try to plug it in. So here is the mouse. So you can see the RGB light here. You can turn the brightness down so that you can take a better look. And there is a Katar, I guess KT, just KT written here, and you can see the tiny triangles and the RGB. If I press this button, this will change and the color will determine the DPI. This looks great, to be honest, and it's a great mouse. I've just tried it and it is feeling really good, no issues. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you want more contents, and give a thumbs up if it was helpful. So thank you.